All right, I swear this is not a boring drone video. Look at the yard, not the drone I'm chasing. Got a professional racing drone pilot, my buddy Garrett, to chase the YXZ around the little course I do in my yard. Got some hilarious footage, really good outtakes. I'm going to show you a lap and then some bloopers. But I don't want you to listen to the drone buzzing, so here's some Christmas music. Sorry about the music. I swear it's better than drone buzzing. This is where Garrett crashed into the roof. We were getting the drone dialed in, brand new drone, and the camera settings, obviously. But it survived. Did scratch up the drone and the GoPro a bit on the shingles, but no matter. There's some driver error here, spinning out. So these are all mostly driver and pilot bloopers. Only spun out once today. Almost flipped a lot, though. So this is pretty amazing. Videoing me jumping, hits the ground, does a flip, and the drone recovers. This is me getting ice water dumped on my back, as well as a White Claw getting lost in the yard. Don't worry, no claw left behind. It was recovered. Not really a blooper here. There's just some sick-ass donuts. I don't know how Garrett can fly a drone like this. He never even hit me. Almost hit me there, though. Nice view of the track. Here's me doing some two-wheel action. There's a lot of this in the lap earlier. I don't know how the YXZ does this. I think it's like sway bar witchcraft, but you can pretty much drive the thing on two wheels. Phenomenal. And this is more two-wheel action. Lens is kind of dirty, so we didn't end up using this clip, but really good flying here.